Hello everyone, I'm RopuNawa and I'm here with my partner Freya, and I will show you now a great session opener. So what we need is, we have our rope. The length does not matter much, but what we need is, we need to half it again. So like that, it's, in this case, from 4 meters it gets to 2 meters. I can show the rope, she can look at it. She does not have to, but you can show it. And if she's like already starting smiling, I think most of the case a good thing. We take our time and just getting the hair out like this. And then you come from below, grabbing those two, placing on your finger. And here you can really place your elbow on top. If you feel like this is too aggressive, you can just keep it here and then bring the rope through. And you saw me here in this example that I pulled her arms more together, and because this is an open friction, it has space to move, so it will not hurt anywhere. It just adapted. So how are you?
I feel all cuddly.
Yeah, so it helps a lot if you tying something where you feel very familiar. There was a moment where I pushed her head gently away, just because I realized she really wants to be close to me, but I decided not to give it. And that's kind of a moment where I'm not in the pleaser role anymore. In this moment, I really have something to say about what I like to show to her. For me, the session is not over just because I removed the rope. I still do something. I still will holding maybe the hands, or just doing like this, and then I can sort my rope, and then I start with whatever I like.
I remember there was a few times with starting like this, I tried even to provoke you. Resistance can also be a tool to provoke, and yeah, if you then choose the opposite direction, like instead of putting me away and I resist, and then you take me close, it's, if I try to provoke, it's not what I wanted. I wanted to fight.
He can do something for 15 minutes, so will really ease my mind and feel connected to my partner. And it's good if you have something like that in your tool set.